Are you ready? What's going on, guys? Hervin here, back with another Shine tutorial. I want to tell you, before I get started, if you have any questions, if you want to improve your salsa dancing, if you get the shakiness out of this, if you want to learn how to dance salsa better, if you want to improve your salsa dancing, I want to help you. My phone number is 786-440-8920. Write that down. That's 786-440-8920. I want to help you. Give me a call, and I'm going to make sure that we improve your salsa. The clip that you're about to see is me breaking down the shine that I taught today to my students. I hope you like it. Enjoy. If you find value in these tutorials, please share them with your friends. Go ahead and click the like button and subscribe here for more salsa content. Boom. You know what time it is. Let's get right to it. Basic step, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 2 steps. Cross, cross. And then I'm gonna tap outside. 3. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross, cross, 3. Same thing, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cross, cross, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Last one, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. From there, I'm going to cross and 4. So that happens quickly. I'm going to let you see it from the back over here. I'm here on 3. I cross in front. This is and 4. I open up. Now, and 4 means that it's quickly. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you're doing a cha-cha step, and 4. A syncopated step after the 3. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, go for it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So once I touch the ground on 3, you go immediately. You don't hold it there for a second. You go 3 and 4. Here from the front, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. From the top, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, and go 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 more times, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cross, cross, tap, boom, boom. 5, 6, 7, basic, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cross, cross, tap, pop, pop. View from the back, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then from there, I'm going to repeat the same thing, just looking backwards. Watch. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cross, cross, step, boom, boom, step, cross, step, boom, boom. So I'm doing that twice. View from the back, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cross, cross, step, bump, bump, step, cross, out, boom, boom. A view from the back again, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Here from the front, last one. 5, 6, 7, a basic step, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cross, cross, 3, and 4. Step, cross, 3, bump, bump. Now from here, I'm going to go on the other side, cross, 1. And I'm going to let the body, boom, go down. Let me see, let me get a little closer. 5. I'm up here, 5, 6, 7, 1. So I let the weight of my body collapse. Boom. 5, 6, 7, 1. 5, 6, 7, 1. And I'm gonna come out 3. So 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Last one, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. I'll view from the back, 5, 6, 7. I'm up here, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Last one, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna cross 5. Let's see it again. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5. I'm gonna tap outside, and I'm gonna do what's called a chuck. 7. A chuck is when I bring my hips back, all of a sudden I snap them forward, and I bring my feet behind. So you have this hip that goes back, it comes forward. At the same time that it comes forward, you bring your foot behind. But all you want to think about is that hip coming forward. From over here, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, chuck, basic step, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again, from here, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, chuck, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. From back, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5. One last time, 6, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Here we go, from the top, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross, cross, out, boom, boom, step, cross, out, bum, bum, collapse the weight, come back, 5, 6, chuck, basic step, 2, 3, 5, and again, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, basic step, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. View from the back, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, and go, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Same thing, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, go, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's see that with music. Boom. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please share with your friends, subscribe here, follow. I'm posting more free salsa content. It really helps me out when you share and when you subscribe them. And again, if you want help with your salsa, give me a call, 786-440-8920. I want to help you out. Thank you. Bam!